Yeah, and that's a great segue into this question. So Matt, I'd love to hear your take on this. What do you do when you get that conflicting information?
Yeah, I think to echo Ron, like it's very often on channels where you'd expect it. So you think about podcasts, influencers, TikTok is getting better, but TikTok a year ago was essentially zero attribution was attributed to TikTok until you started asking questions. And we've anecdotally, I'd say hundreds of customers who are now spending on TikTok and at first didn't think it was working. So I see the word like conflicting, and conflicting is often like a negative word, but I think in this sense it's a good thing in the sense of, okay, we're learning more. So to Ron's point, like we definitely echo the same thing, is really all about triangulation and creating that focal point. So if you think of like some kind of multi-touch kind of click-based attribution model, which is very much a modeling approach, you have your post-purchase surveys, even maybe your media mix modeling. If you can get to that scale, I know there's people arguing today that at $10 million and a few million in spend, you could start doing some media mix modeling. So it's really all about that triangulation to help you tell that better story. So I think the conflicting information it's at least with our customers, it's not usually like like, damn, we have conflicting information. It's usually like a smile on their face for like, oh, I had no idea this customer came from this channel, and now we've unearthed that. So that's typically how we think about conflicting, is more or less a positive.